Namaste. Subject Engineering Mathematics. Module Vector Calculus. Article number 1.12 Gradient, Divergence and Curl. Worked problems. Find the unit vector normal to the following surfaces at the indicated points. So unit normal vector andre idan find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So first question, x square y plus 2xz equal to 4 at 2, minus 2, 3. So first problem, they required unit normal vector n, vector of n, unit normal vector of n equal to del phi divided by magnitude of del phi. Okay, this is the formula. So illi first del phi find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Del phi. So del means dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k. Okay. So then phi ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು equal to dou phi by dou x I plus dou phi by dou y j plus dou phi by dou z k. So phi is given x square y plus 2x z. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. So given so phi equal to x square y plus 2xz. So this is normal to the surface. Okay, normal to the surface. X square y plus 2xz. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitution ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ del phi equal to dou by dou x. Phi is x square y plus 2xz I plus dou by dou y. Phi is x square y plus 2xz j plus dou by dou z. Phi is x square y plus 2xz k. Okay, next del phi equal to, so illi differentiation partial derivative, dou means partial derivative. Okay, so dou by dou x of this one with respect to x. So illi y ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೆ x square ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2x, that's all, plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ z ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು, x ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1, so 2z. I ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ I ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, plus so differentiation partial derivative of this with respect to y. So x square as it is, y ಗೆ partial derivative with respect to y ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1, plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇಲ್ಲ 0 j, plus partial derivative of this with respect to z. So here z is not there, 0, plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ z ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, 2x as it is ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, z ಗೆ partial derivative of z with respect to z is 1. So k vector as it is. Okay, next del phi equal to 2 is common, take outside, xy plus z into I plus x square j plus 2x k. Next del phi at the point is 2, minus 2, 3. So this is x value is 2, y value is minus 2, z value is 3. So del phi at 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So equal to 2 into x value is 2, y is minus 2 plus z is 3, I plus x is 2, 2 square is 4, 4j plus x is 2, 2 2s are 4k. Next del phi at 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 equal to, this is minus 4, okay, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2i plus 4j plus 4k. Next the required unit normal vector equal to del phi divided by magnitude of del phi. So equal to del phi is minus 2i plus 4j plus 4k divided by magnitude of del phi is, so here okay irli parvagilla enilla, minus 2 whole square plus 4 whole square plus 4 whole square. So 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 16 is 32, 32 plus minus 2 whole square is plus 4. So 32 plus 4 is 36. So square root of 36 is 6. Okay. Equal to, take 2 common tokomode. 2 na, 2 into minus I plus 2j plus 2k divided by 6. So the required unit normal vector is 2 1s ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ, minus I plus 2j plus 2k divided by 3. This is the answer. Okay. See the solution in the textbook. So solution for first one. First let phi anta heli questions ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Del phi is a vector normal to the surface. We have del phi equal to, write down the formula, del phi formula. Next del phi equal to, simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ phi ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Simplify ಅಂದರೆ partial derivative. So take the partial derivative with respect to correspondence x, y, z, ಅದಾದ ವೆಕ್ಟರಿಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. I ಗೆ x, j ಗೆ y ಗೆ k ಗೆ z ಹಾಗೆ. So partial derivative with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next points are given in the problem. So this is x point, y point, z point. Substitute wherever x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 2 ಹಾಕಿ, y ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ minus 2, z ಇರೋ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹಾಕಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next the required unit normal vector is, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಯ್ತಾ, required unit normal vector is this one, del phi divided by magnitude of del phi. So unit normal vector n equal to del phi is this one. Okay. Next to magnitude of del phi andre ಇದಕ್ಕೆ magnitude find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So final answer. Thank you so much.